Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Rexton is a charming community in Kent County, New Brunswick. It sits along the picturesque Richiboucto River, which has been vital to the area's development. The region is known for its lush forests, rolling hills, and serene waterways, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Originally, Rexton was inhabited by the Mi'kmaq First Nations. Many of their descendants still live in the nearby Elsipogtog First Nation. In the 18th century, Acadian settlers moved into the area, followed by English, Scottish, and Irish immigrants in the 19th century. Irish Protestants arrived around 1819 to work in the Jardine shipbuilding yards. After a survey in the 1820s, the settlers received land grants. The first bridge over the Richiboucto River was completed in 1850, boosting commerce and communication. Originally known as Kingston, the settlement's name was changed to Rexton in 1901 to avoid confusion with other places named Kingston. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Rexton, New Brunswick.
Thanks for watching!